Heard a lot of things through the grapevine. Heard the tick-tock of the clock. Still I feel fine. All my hours feel so close to the kiss of morning. Those skies morose and the clouds are mourning. Take my leather-bound journal to the leafing. All the way worn souls by that river won't forget me. Frozen in the bitter blizzard that's go wisdom. Build a brazen movement in the kingdom. You lost reverence because of close proximity. Your residence is in the bowels of normalcy. Sages eaten. Know why to keep a pen in my vicinity. Able to not a willing subject up on a bending knee. Don't ride for my vantage point unpreparedly, cause you might be heralded by the things your inner eyes will say. Pick a card, wonder who you meet upon the boulevard of your dreams. Met the reaper just the other day. The seams with themes macabre are embedded in my very seams.
Abracadabra, create as a speak and a speak as a truly seeing.
Speak too much truth, gotta lie low. Others spit the rhyme when the Hades with the halo. I feel crafted as the lotion of dryness. When you mix, address me, you may add the words, your highness. Yeah. Frozen